Standing in this office, in the beginning of this project, we were going back and forth. Do we keep these built-ins or do we not? They're very custom, high-end from, probably a decade or two ago. But we decided, hey, how can we marry today's modern feel with the flooring, paint colors, and the staging and really tie it in? And we decided to keep them because to rebuild them would be about $30,000 to $40,000 or quotes that we got with this same type of wood. Or if we were to refinish them or paint them, it would really mess up the integrity of the wood. So we said, hey, let's roll the dice and see how the market responds. And the market responded very favorably. So I'm glad we kept this old character. And I think whoever uses this as their next office is going to be pleasantly surprised and pleased with how it functions for them.